Thank you very much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. The weather here in Maryland is starting to become a little bit warmer, so I can start doing like car maintenance video again. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do maintenance for your fuel injector. That's right. The fuel injector of the VW looks like this. This thing shoots like gas, the gas goes through here and it shoots it through the cylinder for running the car. Without this, the car engine won't run. You need this thing. What happened is when the fuel injector start to go bad, some of you told me your VW start to have this stalling problem, because what happened is it's like a gun, right? If you for those of you who own a gun, if you shoot it all the time, the bore will start having a carbon buildup because of and then the same thing with fuel injector, the silver carbon buildup will start to clog this thing, and then with a gun you won't be able to shoot it, because the bullet won't go through the bore very well. I mean, it can jam. I mean, it can blow up. Actually, it's really dangerous with a car. When the sulfur and the carbon start to clog this thing, you will have problem stalling when you drive the car, and then the car won't start. It's like really hard start, because the engine won't start without a gas. So yeah, I will teach you how to maintain your German car, especially like your VW. This is how the Tiguan fuel injector looks like. It's pain in the neck to replace. You have to remove the intake manifold, the air filter, and everything. I mean, you can do it DIY work if you want to see it. There are tutorials out there, but it's really hard to do. But before this thing goes bad, I will teach you how to maintain your VW fuel injector. How does the fuel injector work? This is the diagram that I found. It's right here. I'm not a mechanic, but this is how it looks. The fuel tank is right here, and it goes like through the electric fuel pump right there. That's the gas, and then it goes through different step here. You can watch other YouTube videos like Mechanical Explain. He's really good at it. And then it goes all the way through the system, and it goes to right here, the engine, the cylinder, right? So yeah, without the fuel injector, your car won't run. When that thing gets really dirty and clogged, you will experience like slow starting. Stalling is very dangerous, because in the middle of your drive, the car can stall and you will lose power, and that's very dangerous, especially when you're on the freeway. So I'll teach you how to maintain the fuel injector. The product that I use is the Liqui Moly Jectron fuel injector cleaner. This thing, you just have to put it. It's really cheap. It's only $8.99 from Amazon. I recommend this if you have German car, even a regular car. You have to. Liqui Moly really makes good product. This thing really helps clean the fuel injector, and it's really easy to use. You only do this every 3,000 miles to keep your injector clean, and it has really good rating. I have to take some notes. They've been making like a really good product, and the main ingredient of the Liqui Moly Jectron is the the MOS2, or the molybdenum disulfide, the technology that Liqui Moly made when it comes to to clean combustion, for lower emission and more efficient. Right, that's right. This thing actually can help increase your fuel efficiency. The thing is, when the fuel injector start to clog, like it's struggling to pump fuel, and then it's just it's not good anymore for your fuel economy. After a while, this thing will just give up, and then you have to take it to a mechanic or dealership and have them replaced, and it's not cheap work. Okay, it takes a while to repair this. So make sure before it goes bad, do like every 3,000 miles maintenance. You just have to put this. What you want to do is, I like to make sure the fuel tank goes around like half. I mean, you don't have to. Like right now, I'm about to go to a gas station, so I'm just gonna put some of this, and then I'm gonna put it in the fuel tank right there. So yeah, it will reduce the emission of CO2. It clean the injector with, it will actually prevent you from having costly repair. So this is, if you want to know what the product is, it's right here. This is Liqui Moly Jectron. So yeah, this product that Liqui Moly built has been used in watercraft and aircraft. That's right. So it's amazing product. And like my VW is it's 2013, so now it's 2018. It's been like 5 years old, so it's been running strong. This is the tip, guys, especially if you have like high pressure engine, like with turbo charged engine. Mine, this VW Tiguan has the 2.0 turbo, so it's, yeah, it's, you really need this product to clean your fuel injector, to make sure your car have better fuel efficiency and no stalling problem. And then the performance will, when things clean, it's really nice. You can feel it, hear it, and how the car drives. So anyway, I'll teach you how to do this. It's really, really easy. It has a cone right here. What you want to do, you just have to break it off and open it. I'm just gonna make sure, what do you call it, that I have opened the window, make sure it's nicely ventilated, because this thing is very poisonous. So yeah, this product is amazing. It's been working greatly to keep the performance of your car. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention, if you slush and gunk deposit, you haven't done this for a while, you may want to watch my other video, the how to do the engine flush. This thing won't do an engine flush. This is just to keep it from building up. So if you have a new car, start doing this every 3,000 miles, just to keep the fuel injector and the combustion chambers clean. So yeah, start doing this even when you have a new car. Start doing it every 3,000 miles, and it will keep everything clean and keep the car running well. So now you just have to open it like that, have the cone like that, but it has a seal right here. When to pull it carefully, you don't want to spill over your eyes. Yeah, this is very dangerous. You don't want to get it to your eyes. So yeah, it's called the Liqui Moly Jectron fuel cleaner for your fuel injector cleaner. So you want to open it up slowly like that, and put the cone like that. So I'll be back. I'm gonna go to the gas tank. Back. This is basically what you want to do. Just open it up, unlock it. Oops, sorry. And we're gonna press this one and click, open it. There you go. And just get the fuel injector. Make sure it's you empty it. There you go. After this, I'm just gonna go to a gas station and fill up the engine. Yep, there you go. So like right now, I'll show it to you. This is where the fuel is at right now. There you go. It's around half. I mean, if it's empty, actually it's really good, because it will mix the fuel injector with the rest of the gas. It will help clean your fuel injector better. So yeah, you don't want to use this product when you're full. You want to, when your gas tank is around like half or empty is even better. But I don't usually, it's not good if you have an empty gas tank. So yeah, when it's half, before you go to the gas station, you use the fuel injector cleaner, and then right now I'm gonna go to the gas station. Yep, it's either here or somewhere here. That's when you do it. Isn't that easy? Something that a lot of people forget to do, but it's an easy maintenance to have a Liqui Moly fuel injector cleaner. Yeah, this is how it looks like, and they're not expensive. If you want to learn how to replace them, there are other YouTube cleaners. I won't do it. I would love to try it, but with the situation right now, my fuel injectors are still okay. I think when they go bad, it's gonna be an interesting video. It takes at least like what, 4 to 5 hours. I think for me it's gonna take me longer to replace this. They're really hard. You have to remove a lot of stuff before you can get to it. It's pain in the neck. So before this thing break, make sure you do what? The fuel injector maintenance. Just get the Liqui Moly from Amazon. I provide the link, affiliate link below. So yeah, it's you can get it, and it's really good to keep your, especially turbo charged engine like the 2.0 turbo, the 1.8 liter turbo. If you have VW, I've heard so many times like people said, "Oh Jeffrey, my VW is stalling. Have you done the fuel injector maintenance?" And they said like, "I don't know what that is." Well, now you know. So yeah, it's really cheap for $8.99. I mean, you can do this every 3,000 miles. That's all you can, and save a lot of like maintenance and repair money. You know, all you do is just putting the fuel injector cleaner to keep your fuel injector clean and the engine chamber carbon deposit low. That thing will clean your engine up, and you can feel the difference. Again, the fuel injector won't clean an engine what do you call that, slush. When you have like slush, heavy carbon buildup, you may want to watch my other video about how to do an engine flush. There is another product that Liqui Moly has to do an engine flush. You do that before an oil change. Yeah, so it has to remain in the engine for 10 minutes. So yeah, this one is just to make sure your fuel injector is clean. I mean, fuel injectors, there are 4 of them. So you want to make sure all 4 of them are clean. So you won't be having a stalling problem. It's very dangerous. You don't want to be stalling on a freeway or at high-speed road. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe button. Love you guys. Bye.